We had this little cracker box of a home on this non-conforming lot that had the spectacular view. We had to put the most material on it that we could, basically, and get the best house that we possibly could on this small of a lot.
Distinctive Design Studio is an architecture and interior design firm that specializes in residential architecture, commercial, and interior design work. When we originally met with Bob and Connie, it was the understanding that they just purchased this parcel of land on the lake. There was an existing house on it that was in dire repair of updates, and it was understanding what we needed to do to get to the next step and to meet their goals.
There were some features that I knew I wanted to build up, and by doing so, it almost makes the house look like it's almost like a houseboat on the water, because we're very close to the water. So everything was about the views. Steve Pesci did a great job putting that together so that no matter where you were at in the house, the primary view that you were going to get was of the lake.
I wanted to have Kleiber Construction as our contractor because I had seen his father's work through the years and Tim's work, and it was always impeccable.
We are a custom home general contractor. We've been in business for over 40 years now, and we specialize in custom homes, remodeling, additions, and just creating an awesome customer experience. The biggest challenge working with this lot was just the restrictions. Right off the bat, we wanted to have an exposed lower level walkout. Through meetings with the village and through red tape, we realized we couldn't have that. Went back to the drawing board, came up with a half exposed basement, which really was a silver lining in my opinion. Created an awesome extension to the lower level, created a lot of intimacy down there, and made that lower space really good.
When we look at a project like this, people ask me what I'm most proud of. It's always hard to say. There's so many details and facets that we've worked on and spent hours talking about it and working through the concepts from the client to the contractor to the final build. I'm just really proud how all of it came together.
For me, it's all about how well this house fit on the lake. And with the open concept in the living room, and then walking up to the second level of that bridge that we have between the bedrooms, you can literally just sit down in a chair there and have a cup of coffee up there and still have the spectacular view of the lake. And
it does come down to a team effort, a collaboration between myself, Tim, lead carpenters on site.
We have a core group of subcontractors that we rely on, we trust. They understand our expectations, and everybody wants to do the best result for the homeowner. That's a non-negotiable.
A year after the house is completely finished, I don't care what little problem we have or if we want to add anything.
That's true.
Tim you give him a call, he'll either pick up or call you within an hour, and we have got it done.
We love to maintain the relationships with our customers. We don't want to be their builder for this one project. We want to be their builder for life. And part of that is keeping that relationship and that communication open post-build.
So when we look at projects like this, the collaboration between Distinctive Design and Kleiber Construction, we know how they're going to react and what they're going to do on a project.
I like to recommend working with Distinctive Design. When you work with somebody that can provide a high detailed plan, that's 3D drawings and renderings, and it's fun to see the afters and the rendering Steve does and how accurate they are.
This is our happy place. We have 13 grandkids, 4 boys and their wives. We have quite a big family.
we wanted a house that could still stay in good shape, even though it was getting, grandchildren abused.